kayo ng safe place at doon kayo muna at you stay there and you stay in a safe place and stay indoors and stay away from areas of danger. Sa ngayon, we have the most dangerous area for our people right now would be Israel. Dahil tuloy-tuloy ang attack sa Israel. But the situation is Israel, dahil sanay sila sa gera, marami silang mga bomb shelter na pwedeng pagtaguan. At yun ang naging advice namin sa ating mga kababayan, doon muna kayo. Para maging mas paginhawa para sa kanila, kumuha tayo ng nakipag-usap tayo sa mga iba't ibang hotel na malapit doon sa bomb shelter, na doon sila muna pumunta, doon sila muna. At pagka may air raid alarm, tumakbo muna sila sa bomb shelter. And that is the advice we have given to our nationals in Israel and also our nationals everywhere else. Na if you are in a safe place, kung malayo naman kayo, just stay put and be safe. And we will slowly try to find ways. For those who want to be repatriated, we will find ways to get you out safely. And that is the key thing here. Pinakauna natin tinitig natin, dapat ligtas sila, hindi sila magka-problema, hindi sila ma-attack dahil sa misidentification, dahil na tuloy-tuloy ang pagbomba, missile attacks, drone attacks, and we already have seen friendly fire incidents in the past day. So, kailangan natin bantayan yun. So right now, safety first for our people, and they are in constant contact with our embassy staff, both and the families of those who are working and living in the Gulf countries. Meron silang hotline with the Department of Migrant Workers and also with the DFA para maitanong naman nila kung anong kalagayan ng kanilang mga kamag-anak. The other thing is yung contact, may telepono pa. So they can actually call their own people, their relatives or their friends and see if they are okay. And kung kailangan, kung wala silang makontak, yung mga kamag-anak nila ang magsasabi sa atin na delikado yung mga tao natin in this place, pwede nyo puntahan at dalhin ninyo sa safe place. So, in general, that is the situation right now. We are